Chapter 37. Inspector Chautala's office was full. We needed extra chairs from the next room. Alia's entire family, Saurav and I, sat in a semicircle around the inspector's desk. Viren and Rajan had joined us as well. Chautala rubbed the stubble on his chin after I finished telling him about Roy. Viren, you had searched Ria's phone, right? Chautala said. Yes, sir. I couldn't locate these telegram chats, Viren said. She had deleted them. I used special recovery software, Saurabh said. Viren, you couldn't do that? Viren hung his head low. Mr. Saurabh, how did you even get access to the information on Sia's phone? We had Sia's phone and the data in our possession, Chautala said. Saurav had already thought of an excuse. We couldn't come out and say we had stolen the information from the police station. Long story, sir, Saurav said, and switched to techno gibberish. You see, I work in cybersecurity company. I use certain primary patch protocol along with VPN server. And Chautala raised a hand to make him stop. Leave it. Let's focus on the suspect. You have any idea what this Roy looks like? Where does he live? Phone number? No, sir, I said. Even the Roy might be fake. And you say this idiot tutor Dharmesh is connected to him? Chautala said. On Telegram, yes, Saurabh said. Let's get Dharmesh at least then. 2 nights in a lockup and he will tell us everything. I'm sorry, but that may not work, I said. Why? Chautala said. Roy is the guy we want. If we catch Dharmesh now, it will alert Roy. Roy will vanish, I said. Keshav has a point, sir, Viren said. Very smart, Viren. Now you have all the opinions, Chautala said sarcastically. Couldn't even check Sia's phone properly. Sorry, sir, Viren said, his head bent down again. Dharmesh is a coward. We will give him 2 slaps and he will spill. But fine, whatever you say. I can send a team to Ambience to catch this Roy first. Shamsherji, you are okay with this? Chautala said. The boys make sense. Let's catch Roy first. Then go nab Dharmesh immediately. Not that, Shamsherji. Are you okay with reopening this? Didn't you say you wanted to bury all this? After that parcel with her belongings, you know that Sia Bitia is gone forever? Alia glared at Chautala. Sorry, madam, but it is true, Chautala said. Shamsher cleared his throat before speaking again. Chautala ji, even if that's true, if this help us find out what exactly happened to Sia, it is worth it. Durga ji, Chautala said, if catching this Roy means finding the real culprit and clearing the stain on my family for good, it is definitely worth it. Durga said. Chautala gave a slow nod. Fine, let's reopen this cold case. One request, no media, sir, please, Timmy said. Yes, Timmy ji, even I don't want to be made fun of again. You 2 detectives, no talking to the press, okay? Never, sir, Saurabh said. Chautala turned to Viren. Arrange a 6-member team of cops for day after. Plain clothes. Let's all go shopping to Ambience Mall, Chautala said. Ambience Mall in Gurugram claims to be one of the biggest malls in India, with corridors that add up to more than a kilometer across the floors. I reached the shopping mall at 10 a.m. to familiarize myself with the location. Taco Bell, a Mexican fast food restaurant, is located on the 2nd floor, right next to PVR Cinemas. I stood on the 3rd floor, the one above Taco Bell, on the opposite side. This allowed me to see the restaurant diagonally below me through the atrium quadrangle. This early in the morning, the restaurant had no customer. Good morning, baby. Roy sent me a message. Good morning, I replied. I am so excited for today. Same here. What are you doing? Getting ready. What are you going to wear? Don't know. We'll decide. Why? How will I recognize you? Haha, of course you will. Still, tell me. I think I'll wear my red dress. Cool. I like red. It's like my favorite color. I'll buy you some more red dresses then. Thank you. I may reach the mall early, Roy said. Oh, okay, I replied. Couldn't he already be here? My heart started to beat fast. I can roam around before you come. Okay, or wait in Taco Bell. I will come there, I said. Not me, but 6 strong Haryanvi cop will, I thought. No, you message me when you reach Taco Bell. I will come only then. Roy sent a message. What? I said. My heartbeat grew faster. That wasn't how I had planned it. I will come once you reach Taco Bell. I will look for a pretty little girl in a red dress. Oh, okay, fine, I replied, even though my mind was racing. I ended the chat and put my phone back in my pocket. I didn't want to lurk around in the mall corridor. I found a Van Heusen store next to me and went inside. Some formal shirts for you, sir. We have nice Egyptian cotton ones, a salesman said. Do I look like a guy who wear formal shirts? I said. Pardon, sir? Nothing. Do you have casual shirts? Yes, sir, over there. He said and pointed me to the casual section. I picked out 3 shirts from a shelf and went to the trial room. I called Saurabh from inside the trial room. We have a problem, I said. What? Don't tell me he cancelled. Listen to me. I think he might be in the mall already, roaming around. Fuck. I will be there soon, Saurabh said. That's okay. You don't have to come. Chautala's team will be here by 11. What's the issue? He told me to message him once I reach the Taco Bell. He will only come after he sees Daisy. Oh, he asked the color of my dress. I said red. Okay. He said he had come to Taco Bell and looked for a girl in a red dress. What's the problem then? This place is like an open cafe, Golu. I can see inside the restaurant from the opposite side, from the floor above and below. He may not enter until he sees a young girl in a red dress sitting in there. Exactly. He is here already. He had been keeping a watch. Can't Chautala's team scan the mall and catch him anyway? Not possible. We don't know how he looks like. It's a huge mall. He could literally be in any of the 500 different shops. A knock on the trial room door made me jump. Everything okay, sir? The salesman said from outside. I'm fine, I said, opening the trial room door. Perfect fit, sir, the salesman said, seeing me in one of the new shirts. I need more time, I said, and shut the trial room door again. What's happening, bhai? Saurabh said. Nothing, Golu. We need an actual girl, a 13-year-old in a red dress, I said to Saurabh. Are you crazy, bhai? How can we involve a child in this? And where do we get one right now? It's just to get him into the restaurant. Then Chautala's team will pounce on him. You have to arrange for a girl around that age, not photoshopped picture, an actual girl in 2 hours. Do you realize that? 1.5 hours now, actually. Crazy, how? I will call Alia. Why? Do you know any 13-year-old girl, Saurabh? What? No. Exactly. So let me call Alia, I said and ended the call. I came out of the trial room. I handed the salesperson a blue and white checked shirt. I will buy this. Thank you, sir. I will pack it. Anything else? The salesperson said. Do you mind if I roam around the store for a while? No problem, sir, he said. I went up to the entrance of the shop. I could see Taco Bell downstairs. 2 young couples sat in the small restaurant which only had a total of 10 tables. I called up Alia. I need your help. It's urgent, I said. I explained the situation to her. Now? You need someone who can stand in for Daisy in an hour? I'm sorry, this complication just came up. Damn. I don't want to miss catching him after so much effort. What do you suggest? How about Suhana? Are you serious, Keshav? 6 cops will be around her at all times. She will be safe. Isn't Daisy supposed to be 13? Yes. There is a huge difference in size between a 7-year-old and a 13-year-old. One can tell even from a distance. Fuck, I said out loud. The salesperson looked at me puzzled. Classmates, Alia said after a pause. What? That's the only thing I can think of right now. One of Sia's classmates from school. Yes, that could work. Please ask someone. What will she have to do? She just has to sit in the restaurant. Her back to the entrance. Roy come in, say hi, and the Haryana police greets him with handcuffs. That's it. Alia remained quiet for a few seconds. We don't have time, Alia. Tell me fast. Can you arrange for someone? Everyone is in school though. Okay, Keshav, this is stressful. If Roy escaped today, we will never be able to catch him. I will ask Vaibhavi, Alia said. Who's that? Parvati's mom. Sia's best friend. I will request her to send Parvati. Fine. She have to be here in the next 30 minutes. What? She will be in school. Fine. Get her here soonest. Will she have a red dress? Red dress? Why? She will be in school uniform. I will arrange for the dress. You bring Parvati here fast, I said and ended the call. I walked up to the salesperson. Yes, sir, he said with a smile. Where can I get a red dress from a young girl in this mall? Fits fine, I said. Alia, Parvati and Vaibhavi had met me at the Guinea and Johnny store on the ground floor of the mall. We only have 30 minutes until noon. After several trials, Parvati had found a red dress that fit her. I think it looks lovely on you, Alia said. Whatever, Parvati said, shrugging and chewing gum. She remained glued to her phone as she checked her friends' Instagram stories. Pay attention, Parva, Vaibhavi said. I went to the cash counter to pay for the dress, but Alia had already settled the bill. This better work, Alia said. I blinked at the tension in her voice. I will need to go up now and meet the police team. They are already there. Sure, Alia said. Parvati and Vaibhavi came up to us. What do we do now? Vaibhavi said. And is there a way I can keep Parvati in my sight through all this? Yes, you can see Taco Bell from the Van Heusen store. Vaibhavi and I will go there, Alia said. Fine, once I give the signal, Parvati need to take the lift to the second floor. Once there, we need to walk in a normal manner to Taco Bell and take a seat. Parvati took a boomerang selfie on herself for her Instagram story, swirling the camera around her. Pay attention, Vaibhavi said. Parvati shut her phone and turned to me. Sorry, what? Parvati said. Walk to Taco Bell, take a seat facing the counter. You back to the entrance. Clear? I said. Yes. What is really going on? Why did you get me out of school? Why this new dress? This is for Sia, Alia said. Parvati, we really need your help. Be focused. Sia? But how? Shh, I will explain later. Keshav, you go ahead, Alia said.